What up, people? So quickly, today I just want to go over a problem that's kind of common at coding interviews, and that is the grouping anagrams problem. So let's get into it. So this what really is an anagram. Anagram is a word or a group of words that if you rearrange the letters can form the same word. For example, I hope that's a good explanation. But for example, you can see ACT, you see CAT, and TAC. These are anagrams because if you rearrange the individual letters, you can see this is one word. We have load and dollar, LOAD and DOLA. Let me just make this a bit bigger. So you can see all these are anagrams. So if we're going to group these anagrams, we have a list of words. And so if we're to group them together, this is what our expected output will be. It will take act, cat, and tack, and it will put them together. As you can see in a single group, we have kiss. No other words would be in this group unless we're supposed to say, let's just make this SIKS. I think yes. This is also will be an anagram. So we'll have kiss here, and here also we'll have SIKS. So that's pretty much it. So how do we do this? How do we write this in code? So let's define our function and call it anagram grouper. So anagram grouper, for now let me just make this pass. Anagram grouper will take in this input. So let's call this input words. Right? Sweet. So how do we do this? So we have to take one word and start with the first word in this case, and we check for this word. I think we first need to sort it, and then we will now check, is there any other word that is same as this if this is sorted, and then we do a comparison and put them in the same group, and you do the same over and over again. I think it will make more sense in code. So what does that look like? So we have the anagram grouper, input words. First thing we do is we say sorted word is, we join and we sorted input words. So we sort input words and that becomes a sorted word. The next thing we do when we've done this, we now say for every word in input words, if okay, also what we can do is we have to define our final anagrams. Final anagrams will just be a hash or a dictionary. So if our word is in our final in anagrams. So if word is in final anagrams, what we do, we will say final anagrams word, and then we will append final anagram of sorted word, excuse me. Yeah. Else we will say add. So what we're doing here is if the word is already in final anagrams, we're saying for this word append this word into what we have in final anagrams. I'll walk you through this and you'll see. Otherwise we can say final anagrams sorted word will be the new word. We'll add this inside this. And then when we're done, return our final anagrams. Does this make sense? So it's the word. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So yeah, so before we run this, let's get our inputs. Let's run this by saying anagram grouper. And then we take in input. What will our input be? Let's take this input here and let's put this guy here. So why is this not working? For word and input words, sorted word is joined. Oh my goodness, this is wrong. For every word in input word, sorted word is joined, sorted word is word. I don't even know what I do this crap sometimes. So yeah, this works now. This looks good. So let me go over that again. So we define anagrams. It takes in the input words, which will be a list of words. We have a final anagrams, which is a dictionary. So for every word that's in this input words, we're saying, first of all, you sort the words by doing this sort on the word. Then if sorted word is in this dictionary, then just add this sorted word or append this word to sorted words. I'll show you what that is. So if we print this out, error and word is not defined. What am I doing? It works better when you save. Yeah, it works better when you save. So let's go over that. Yeah. So as you can see, so if sorted word is in final anagrams, which will be this. Final anagrams that append the word, so you append the word here. In this case, load, you keep on appending once it finds this word. So else final anagrams at the word, you just create a new word, which will be, in this case, if this is not already in final anagrams. I don't know why you guys are even watching me. Sometimes I surprise myself. Anyways, well, sorry for that, but this is the final solution. This is what it looks like. If we run this, it works. That's just the thing about code. All right, so that's it. So check out this channel for more videos on blockchain technology, and I'll also be attempting more of these algorithmic problems. So that's all I have. Till next time, my wish for you is to learn how to code, because coding is changing and will change the world. And those who get involved early, in my humble opinion, will greatly impact the future. And if that is you, then let's go change the world.
If you would like to create more awareness for your brand or content, or you would like to earn additional income, register now on www.Kleekee.com. The more you share, the more you earn. Kleekee.